Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple, foolproof way to change your email address in Docusign in 2025. Whether you've switched emails or just want to update your contact info, this guide will make sure you do it correctly without any hiccups. Stick around because I'll walk you through every step so you won't miss a thing. First, let's access Docusign. Open your favorite web browser and go to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, log into your account using your current email and password. If you've forgotten your password, Docusign's Forgot Password option can help you reset it quickly. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your profile. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of the page. It might be your avatar or your initials. Click on it to open your profile menu. Next, select Manage Profile from the drop-down options. This will take you to a detailed setting page where you can control all aspects of your account. Scroll through the settings until you find the email address option. Click it, and now you can enter your new email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because Docusign will need to verify it. After entering the new email, verify the address. Docusign will send a verification link to your new email. Open that email and follow the instructions to confirm the change. This step is crucial to ensure your account remains secure. Finally, save your changes. Once everything is verified, your new email will be officially linked to your Docusign account. And just like that, you're done. You can now log out safely, knowing all your documents and notifications will go to your updated email. And there you have it. Updating your Docusign email is really that simple. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech guides in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.